Are you ready to rumble?
Yeah.
What the hell is this recording? Fuck! Yo, bro, you gotta bleep out the curse words / the dumb things we say.
That's like everything.
Cause like, that's on the internet. And the internet is evil!
This is where we're going.
Bro, you're fucking doxing me.
Doxing us. What did you say?
I don't know which city we're in.
I want to go there.
The Jack in the Box?
Yeah.
I think you're gonna really like the cafe.
I better.
Bruh.
What did you get?
Lavender horchata latte. You say gay? Am I gay? I need a woman.
This should look fire. Yeah. Stop looking for jobs. We're in the fashion district. This stuff is like,
You want a belt, bro?
okay, I just got one, but these ones are better. Ooh.
You want glasses? A tie? A hat? Wait, the belts are kind of 1 for $10.
Oh, this shit attracts you. It like activated something in you.
No, because that's not bad. You know how hard it is to find a good belt, bro?
Literally. We'll do a haul later of what we got in the fashion district.
Dude, you bought so much clothes.
I bought 3 things. And you bought 2, so.
I did.
What? Look at where we are.
La Brea Discoveries.
La Brea Tar Pits.
And Museum.
I'm gonna get some bones.
You got like 108 in your body already.
But I want the freaking mammoth bones. I'm so excited. Yeah, we're going in here.
No, it's big.
I can fight it off.
Left, right, left, right.
I'd actually be really scared and confused if I came here as a child. And look at this. Yeah, what's the existential crisis?
Well, just like we as people don't matter. And animals are incredible and we have ruined the earth. And look at what we have displayed to study something that we will not change, like climate change, right? Or the way we treat the earth and animals. We're evil. Are you recording? Okay.
It's like your digital journal. Yeah. Okay, let's touch some poop.
This is what my phone looks like.
So you're supposed to... No, you have to touch it first.
I don't want to touch it.
Come on, just touch it and guess.
Imagine it's like squishy.
I think it's, bear poop.
Oh!
Give me money. I think this is based on
horse.
seal and horse.
Oh.
It's kind of too big for a horse. I feel like this would be horse.
I think this is a deer thing.
Oh, or like a rabbit.
Oh.
Cool.
I think this is
Yeah,
a
same.
lion. Darn it.
I like the picture.
Yeah, that's kind of funny.
Bro, my feet look weird. There's an elephant in the room.
It's a mammoth.
I counted that one first, but the mammoth is like way bigger. Dude, I could be a sloth. If you had to be an ice age animal, what would you be? I think I'd be a sloth.
The seventh sin.
The tar pits.
They're alive.
It's bubbling. Someone's down there farting.
The fossils are farting. Yes. I'm Alan from Smiling Friends.
I think that's just you. Ooh, that was a huge fart. You know when you fart at the pool?
No, I don't fart at the pool. I shit in the pool. I commit to the bit. Maybe 7.
Treacherous goo. The fossils. That's a fossil. What's the vine where they go under this rock? It's huge. I'm really far away. They go under the rock and there's a vine about it. I can't remember. Oh. Oh. Things get freaky after dark. Let's go. This is pretty cool, man. Lacma balls. Lacma balls.
Oh, what was the vine?
So after the La Brea Tar Pits, how would you rate the museum experience?
Considering my existential crisis that happened while in there, 7.8 out of 8.
That's really high. That's probably your highest thing you've ever ranked.
10 out of 10 experience.
Okay, wait, 7 out of 8 experience. Okay. I'd give it a
5 big booms?
All right, gentlemen, turn around. Everybody get a little closer.
Wait, why are you so... Wait, I'd give it a... What did you do?
Just talk to the camera, bro.
I'd give it a 9.5. How? There are probably
9.5 out of what?
10.
Where?
The La Brea Tar Pits.
Slay.
You're probably wondering, why did I not give it the final 0.5? They didn't let me eat the bones off the meats. Wait. They didn't let me eat the meat off the bones.
The bones off the meat. I didn't even notice you said that. It's right now.
Dude, I know what they do.
Stop getting so close to the camera.
I know what they do in those pits. They eat the meat.
The pit. Crows. Beautiful. Okay, what were you gonna say?
Yeah, 9.5. This is probably the best thing you can do in LA. Honestly, don't go to... What do people do in LA? Don't try to stalk... Maybe TMZ Tour 1, La Brea Tar Pits 2. We still haven't done TMZ Tour. We could get like... We could see like Will Smith. They know where he lives. They know where everyone lives. On
I
that
know
train.
where Kanye lives.
We could see Did you show me that video of Kanye being like, shut the fuck up?
No, I didn't.
You didn't show me that?
No, I didn't. Yeah, he's playing by Seth Rogen.
There's like so much showing.
I need everyone who's not gonna purchase to leave.
I got you a gift.
No, you didn't. You didn't have to.
Okay, this is the gift. Okay.
Can I open my eyes?
Yeah.
Can I open my eyes?
Yeah.
They're ponies! Because I love horses. Nay!
Say it like you mean it.
Nay.
Ah.
Yeah.
How much did you spend?
$20.
You spent more than me. Yes.
For my mama. For me. This is from Rachel.
Yeah.
This is for me. This is for my sister. This is for me.
Oh.
I love sharks.
You like sharks or something?
I love eating sharks. No, I don't. I don't think we should eat sharks. I'm making a joke out of that. And then last but not least, because this is my favorite,
Oh. I don't know why my back hurts.
that's the haul. Okay, so we went to Sticker Planet.
Got fruit,
Gay.
frogs.
Also very gay.
These
Yeah, whoa, you got a lot of these. Totally awesome.
Yoko really liked these stickers, and I was saying she wasn't vaccinated enough as a child. Because this is the stuff that nurse planned for spring.
I did not see this. What the heck? Okay.
Beers.
Oh, beers?
Yes. Mole. I was like, I don't know what the name of this animal is. It's a mole.
It's a mole.
This frog one, I realize it's the same as this one,
Wait, you got two?
but this one's like a different texture.
Oh wait, that's cool as hell.
Different. And then ladybug.
Ladybug.
Yeah.
Look at all, you got a lot. It looks like you got more than me.
Yeah, but yours are expensive. Mine were like, I don't know, I was on a budget. I spent so much money today. So
Bro, this restaurant is Danny Trejo's restaurant. Bro. Hey, okay, so welcome to the Grove. This is Danny Trejo's restaurant. Tacos, burritos, bowls, salads. I realized this when I saw 3 images of Danny Trejo, and I was like, what the hell?
who's this guy?
You don't know who Danny... Hey, you. You don't know who Danny Trejo is? He's an actor. He was in a really good shark movie. It was called Three-Headed Shark. I should look for that flash thing that the woman was selling. What do you call it?
Flash thing.
Okay, Canon
Flash thing.
RP flash attachment. Dang!
What's your opinion on this pimple on my chin?
Let me see it super close up. You gotta pop it, bro. Can I pop it later?
I've been trying.
You're not popping it correctly because it looks. Let me see it. Like it looks aggravated. Yeah.
Because I've been trying to
Can
pop
I please pop it later? Can I see it?
That's the only one.
No, because you have one right here.
I don't feel safe. I don't consent. Do you have a pimple patch?
No.
So what are we gonna do after you pop the fuck out of this?
I don't think I brought toner. Piece of PV right there.
Yeah.
Okay, good night everybody.
Good night, doggy.